Yo, what is going on, everybody? Spank here. It's been a while since I've actually done a video. Taken off a lot of weight, about almost 60 pounds since December 3rd. But anyway, we're not here to talk about me. We're here to talk about this bad bitch right here. So let me get into it. Here is my 2021 Aprilia Rs660. She has been very kind to me. Enjoy that, lactose tolerant, thanks to Moto Loop. But anyways, yeah, no, she blew up on me last year in November, and didn't think I'd be able to get her back on the road, but ended up ordering a brand new engine, and recently got her back about, I'd say a week, 2 weeks ago. Now there's a few different things I've done on this bike, and I will share that with you guys here in just a second. But super stoked again to have her back and back on the road. It's been phenomenal. She sounds amazing, and yeah, I'm gonna cut right to it. So the first thing I'm gonna talk about is the Spider Racing gas cap. I had upgraded this mainly because it was leaking fuel out of the breather hose due to pressure buildup. I believe it was on the 2021 Aprilia and the Rs660 models that had a recall on the actual gasket inside of this. I went ahead and upgraded the gasket and upgraded to this, and it's been fucking amazing. No issues with leaking, and if you don't know, that's the breather hose. So if you start seeing fuel coming out or build up down here in the lower belly pan, you've got problems. Do the upgrade. Next upgrade I did was the Puig R-Racer tall windscreen. This thing is amazing. Yes, it's slightly tall, but hey, whatever. It helps hugely on highway speeds and just in general of aerodynamics. Yeah, it's just, I have no words other than it's phenomenal, and I recommend you upgrading. Now I was gonna get the light tinted one. I just didn't know how dark it'd be during the nighttime, but I've seen a few people with them, and it actually looks not too bad. I like to see at night, you know, because I ride at night and during the day. Next thing I did was this upgrade right here. Wanted to remove the seat, which is up there, and threw this bad bitch on there. Another upgrade was the NRC tail tidy. I love how it brings the license plate back, and it can be viewed from about 20 feet back. These LED turn signals are phenomenal, really bright. So that's another recommendation I would make. I also installed these tech spec tank pads. They are super, super grippy. This right here is a Hot Bodies MGP full exhaust. It is all stainless steel. It is not titanium. It dropped it down to about, I think, minus like 7 pounds or so. Definitely recommend getting this. It is a cheaper alternative. If you go to Hot Bodies directly, I actually believe they're doing a sale on it, but yeah, no, definitely recommend getting that. It is super loud, and yeah, I'll share a video later. You already know I had to do an upgrade on my tires. I believe the original ones that came on this were the Aprilia Rs660 2s. They were fucking amazing. They were really good, but as you can tell, I upgraded these to the Rs660 4s. Super sticky, great tires. Still breaking them in. I need to do a little more leaning on them, but yeah, definitely recommend these. The most important thing that I have done to this bike is a tune. It has a Gabbro racing tune on it. Sounds amazing. But the biggest thing is I'm gonna eventually delete these and put on Rizoma mirrors. I just like the aesthetics of it, but yeah, with this, deletes the turn signal on these and puts them in there, which is fucking badass. But anyways, I'm super stoked to have this baby bag. it's amazing. The fact that I've been able to get her back from the dealership and have essentially a brand new bike. I mean, like I said, new engine, cleaned up chain, new tires, upgrades, tuned. What else could you ask for, honestly? Now I do plan on eventually getting a Insta360 camera as well as a Osmo Action 6 camera by DJI. So I'll be doing a lot of content. I'm just super excited to finally be getting back into the content, you know, feeling great about it and very confident. But yeah, no, I mean, if you see me anytime, just stop, say what's up, and yeah. But I hope you guys hit that like, comment, and follow me. I'm trying to get that 30K, but take it easy, boys and girls.